What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on this A12 screen repair. It's busted. Let's get right to it. First thing you're going to do is pop the SIM tray out. Then you're going to get your jimmy and go in between the back cover and the mid frame, just like that. Don't go in too deep. Careful on the power button side. I'll show you why in a second. Open it gently to the left. This is why I was saying don't go in too deep and don't lift up too high, because you can pull that off or rip it. We're going to go ahead and pop it off. Put this to the side. We're going to go ahead and remove the screws. I like to put them in order. You don't necessarily have to, but it's always a good idea. Alright, same thing on the bottom. Okay, once all the screws are off, gently pry off the cover, put it aside. Same thing on this side here. Put that aside. We're going to disconnect the battery. And disconnect this fella right here. And we're going to disconnect this. Now let's go ahead and remove the screw for the motherboard. Remove this wire. Gonna put that aside. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the charging port board. Put that to the side as well. I'm just going to put some alcohol underneath the battery because we're going to have to remove it. This 99% alcohol works great, won't damage your phone. Put some on the vibrator. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get our new screen, see what needs to be transferred over. Alright, here we are. So what we're going to transfer over is these gaskets here, the earpiece speaker, and the vibrator so far. Sorry, I got all kinds of weird angles with the camera in front of me. Go ahead and put that right there. Oops. There we go. Now let's take a look at the speaker. I think the best place to pry on it would be from this side. Gently. That's that. Going to go ahead and place it just like that. Next, we're going to remove the vibrator motor. See how easy it is with alcohol? And dry it off. Put it in there. Then we need to grab the loudspeaker. Just like that. That goes in there. Let's put this aside for now. We're going to get our charging port. Put it in place, and then with a plastic spudger you could just push it down into place, just like that. Okay. Go ahead and connect this guy. Just like that. Then we're going to get our main board. Into place just like that. We're going to grab our board screw. It's a little black one. The other ones are silver, so you can tell the difference. Just make sure that the flexes are sitting in the correct places. There we go. Just like that. Now if you don't put the screw in, chances are your board's not going to touch the flex for the power volume buttons, and it's not going to work, so you have to put the screw back on. After that, we're going to go ahead and connect this guy. Just like that. Okay, this part's set. I can just put this back in place. All right, just like that. Now we're going to add a little more alcohol to this battery. And then we're going to put it on the heat plate and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back off the heat mat. Now to remove the battery, I'm going to use a little more alcohol. Now this part you need to be very careful. Take your time. I like to get a thin piece of plastic and work my way underneath. Gives you a hard time, make yourself a little gap with a plastic spudger. Just with these A series, there isn't much room to work with. Don't put too much pressure, just work it. All right, once you got in there, that's it. Gently, patiently work your way around. When you feel resistance, just add a little more alcohol. And that's it. Move that battery. Just put this to the side. Just bring this one here. Let me dry out this battery. Now these connectors on the A series have been known to be very, very bad and fragile, so make sure you're lined up correctly. If you're feeling resistance, don't give pressure. Just like that, it was lined up perfectly fine. Go ahead and put the top bracket on. It's a very simple, straightforward repair. Anyone can do it. Just follow the steps. Save you a lot of money as well. So we're going to go ahead and put all the screws back on. Just like this. Now all we have left to do is the power button flex. Again, line it up. If it's not going in, don't put pressure on it. Alright. So pretty much just like that. Just work your way around gently. You don't want to put too much pressure. The clips will fall into place just like that. There you go, simple as that. Gonna put our SIM tray back in. going to power it on to test it. Okay, we got a screen. I'm going to take it away from the camera just in case they have private pictures, and we'll be right back. Okay, and here we are. We're good to go. It's safe. Good as new. Touch is working. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If there's any specific repair you guys would like us to do for you guys, leave it in the comment section and we'll try to get to it. Thank you. You guys have a good rest of the day.